Welcome guys, this is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner, and today I want to share with you an awesome, quick, easy, cost-effective tip, and this is how to create your own self-adhesive gems. So if you're a paper crafter like myself, you probably already have all these supplies within your stash. So let's go ahead, turn the camera down and get started. Okay, so what I'm going to be using is to protect my surface area. I'm going to use this silicone mat. This is kind of cool because if you get any glue on it, it just rubs right off. Then what we're going to do is start out with some mini glue dots. And we're going to go ahead and take a piece of this. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a piece of that, and I'm going to come in and get some of this purple tape. And I'm going to go ahead and tape this down here, so you could get whatever tape you like. You could use washi tape, and I'm just going to tape that down and secure it so it have the tendency to fall because it's already coiled within that box. So it's already coiled within the box. So next, what I'm going to do, what you need is any kind of glue. You could use any glue in these little bottles with the tips like this to give you some nice little drops. You could use your glassy accent. This is Stickles. Then I am going to use Stampin' Up! Has some pearlized enamel effects basics, and then they come in, they have different colors. So I'm going to be using this red color right here to demonstrate making these gems. So what's nice about this is already you have the self-adhesions going on here, and not only that, these little dots give you a kind of idea of how big to make your create your gems, so you could have uniform sizes. Now you could make these gems whatever sizes that you would like. It's hard to see if I have one there. I don't have one there. So you could make these bigger. You could make them a little smaller if you would like. And then if you don't have the little glue dots, if you have wax paper, you could go ahead and put it on your wax paper and then just add the glue to the back of it, and it's as simple as that. I would leave this dry overnight, at least 12 hours guys, because it depends on how big your gem is. It's going to take a little longer to dry. So this is some right here. These are some that I created yesterday. So this is all dry, but look how beautiful that came out. Okay, so when you're ready to use it, all you have to do is take your jewelry picker. In this case, I'm using our take your pick tool, and then you just slide your adhesive off, and then you have the sticky to the back, and you go ahead and you stick that on your project. How cool is that, guys? So how cool was that? Quick, easy, simple, and cost effective, right? So if you guys got creative value from today's video, go ahead and smash that like button down below. And if you're new to my channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.